God, how much to study? What is this? Dividend equals what? I'm not understanding this. Oh, study. Let me add some fun inside. That's the way I like. Good day all, welcome back to StudyNest. So today I'm doing something different. Today is Wednesday. So as you saw in the intro video, like always studying is very bad. Like only studying without any physical activities or any other stuff is very bad. And I'm not telling that studying is bad. You should study, but also with some fun and cool stuff which you like. So I thought that every Wednesday I will do something different except for studying. Anything except studying. It can be fun, it can be cooking, it can be tips and tricks in gaming. I do play games. Yeah, so like that. So today I have tried, and I don't know, so for some reason I don't get a name for this. Like every minute its name gets changed. I change its name. So for this minute its name is Mini Choco layer glass or cup. Well, it keeps changing. That's what I said. So for this, here are the materials. A mixie jar. The best part is that you need no gas, no nothing. You just need a mixie grinder, just that. You need a bowl. You need some biscuits and another bowl. So all you have to do is take out the cream and put it in the bowl and put the other cream, the other hard biscuit part in the mixie jar. So after you've done this, all you have to do is grind it. So now we'll put these aside. So let's grind this up. What? Okay, it's powdered up. So yeah, you have this powder, so let's put it aside for now and take the cream biscuits, and you have to add some milk. Milk in please. Okay, you just have to add them and keep mixing until it melts. So with that, what you have to do is mix these both and cover it with a cloth and put it overnight in the fridge, and it turns out to be a great cake. I'm just joking. Don't take it serious. No, I'm just joking. I'm just having a small prank with you. What you have to do is take this biscuit powder and just put it inside like a layer. And then again, you just have to flatten up, flatten, and then pour the rest of it all in there, and then you just have to pour the rest of the powdered biscuits. So that's how you do it. And then I'm just going to flatten this up. That looks neat and clean. And then if you want, you can put it in the fridge, or you can eat it like this. So I'm gonna just eat it. Just have a sip. Oh my god, this looks so tasty. Like super tasty, guys. I'm not like, it's super tasty. I want you to check it out. If it turns out to be great, wait, I'm just carrying on. Third bonus tip. Like if you have a fridge, you can put it in the fridge so that it cools down and it's more yummy to eat. So yeah, that was it for guys today, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you have tried this out, then and it turned out to be good, then give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.